So you're gonna get screws, bolts, plates, some rubber mounts, and your two parts of your J-hook. So the squares and the parts with the bigger holes is on top. The dug-in channel, that's the bottom. That's where it'll sit on, okay? Then, take your first part of your J-hook bar. You're gonna open up its mouth, get it on in there, and you wanna line these holes all the way through, okay? Next part. This guy you can see goes all the way in, so he's gonna come all the way up into here. As you can see, we have our holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way through. There's gonna be two different types of mounting plates. This is the fatter one. There's a thinner one that doesn't have the 3 bars. I always recommend the fatter one, more touch points. There's better rigidity and durability. That's gonna go like this on the bottom, with this part curved down, okay, curved down. So there's like that little channel right there, okay? Now what we do is we take our screws, we go right through the middle, get that through. And you wanna make sure that this screw, because you can see the top of it has this basically 4-sided part on there, that sits right in this hole. That's what allows the bolt piece to tighten up nice and tight. So just make sure you tighten both sides so this feels nice and firm and snug on there. It's gonna take some hand work, but you can get them nice and tight. As easy as that. Let's get the other 3 mounted. Got the J-hooks on, J-bars, whatever you call them. They hold the kayaks for you. This is just to show you visually what they'll look like. Obviously, you're gonna wanna check out the best way to properly assemble these, which we're gonna make sure that we are putting the screws through the 6 different holes, getting everything tight to make sure that this J-bar is attached firmly to your modular trailer, and you can get your kayaks on there and travel to your destination safely.